Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a fascinating topic that's shaping the way we interact with computers and machines. We'll be exploring the world of natural language processing, or NLP, and understanding its implications for the future. So, if you're curious about how computers can comprehend human language and its potential impact on various industries, stick around. To kick things off, let's break down what exactly natural language processing is. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and human languages. In simple terms, it's about teaching computers to understand, analyze, generate, and manipulate human language, both in written text and spoken words. NLP plays a pivotal role in enhancing communication between humans and machines, as well as accessing and processing massive amounts of information. The journey of NLP dates back to the 1950s, where early attempts were made to create rule-based systems for translating and parsing languages. But these systems struggled with the intricacies and ambiguity of natural languages. Fast forward to the 1980s and 1990s, statistical methods entered the scene, driven by probabilistic models and machine learning algorithms. These methods learned from annotated texts and speech data, but challenges remained in capturing context and handling rare words. The 2010s brought a revolutionary change with neural network-based methods, particularly deep learning. Think of neural networks as layers of artificial neurons capable of learning complex functions from data. Deep learning, with its multiple hidden layers, mastered intricate language features. This led to breakthroughs in various NLP tasks like translation, sentiment analysis, and more. A standout example? The GPT-3 language model, which can create coherent text on any topic with just a few input words. Now, NLP isn't a walk in the park. Human language is rich with ambiguity and context, making it a challenge for computers to grasp like humans. To overcome this, NLP researchers developed techniques like tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, named entity recognition, and more. These methods convert language into a format machines can understand, paving the way for better interaction between us and our technological counterparts. The applications of NLP are incredibly diverse and extend across various sectors. In healthcare, it aids in automatic diagnosis and drug discovery. In education, it enhances learning through adaptive tutoring and feedback. Businesses benefit from automatic customer service and fraud detection. Even in entertainment, NLP generates personalized recommendations and content. It's shaping industries in ways we could only dream of before. Now, let's look into the crystal ball and glimpse the future implications of NLP. Imagine more natural user interfaces, chatbots with human-like conversations, and even improved machine translation. Picture insights extracted from vast text data, personalized learning, and supercharged customer service. The possibilities are limitless, but we must be cautious. With great power comes great responsibility, right? NLP isn't exempt from challenges. Bias, privacy concerns, and security risks need to be addressed. Biases present in training data can lead to inaccurate results. Personal data privacy must be safeguarded, and the security of NLP systems requires stringent measures. To navigate these challenges, we can use diverse datasets, ensure transparency, and implement strong security measures. By doing so, we can shape NLP technology in a way that's ethical, responsible, and safe for everyone. In conclusion, NLP is a transformative technology that's shaping our present and future. It holds the promise to revolutionize how we interact with computers and machines. But it's up to us to tread carefully, ensuring that this technology benefits society without causing harm. If you found this exploration of NLP and its implications as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of technology, and remember, with great technology comes great responsibility. Stay curious and stay informed.